National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, northwestern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near Machesney Park and moving east at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Loves Park around 4:55 p.m., Roscoe around 5 o'clock p.m., Poplar Grove and Capron around 5:30 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water